Imagine a chocolate porridge that not only warms your soul with its comforting chocolatey flavors, but is also a nourishing treat for your body. A blend of tradition and wellness seamlessly merged into what we Filipinos call champorado. Today, I'm going to guide you through a fresh take on this Filipino comfort food, enhancing both its nutritional profile and depth of flavor. If you're ready for a fresh take on this Filipino classic, get your aprons on and let's get cooking.
If you're new to the channel, I'm Geronimo, and I'm a professional chef and product designer in the San Francisco Bay Area.
Alright friends, this recipe is super simple, and guess what? No prep needed. We're putting a modern twist on traditional champorado by using rolled oats instead of rice. Not only do oats add that irresistibly creamy texture, but they also give us a fiber boost for better digestive health. So let's get started. You'll need a medium-sized saucepan, set that baby over medium heat. Next, pour in 3 cups or 720 milliliters of almond milk, along with half a cup or 120 milliliters of water. This blend ensures that our oats will cook to perfection without getting too starchy. Alright, by now your milk and water mixture should be warmed up, just at that cozy temperature where it's not boiling, but you know it's ready for the oats. Go ahead and stir in 1 cup or 90 grams of rolled oats into the saucepan. Give that a gentle stir and let it come to a slight boil. Then reduce it to a simmer. We want those oats to soak up the liquid and get tender. While we're at that, let's get into our next key ingredient, cacao powder. We want this to be as smooth as silk, so here's a pro tip. Mix 1/3 cup or about 33 grams of cacao powder with a bit of hot liquid from your pan. Stir it up in a small bowl to create a lush paste. This ensures that when we add it to the oats, there are no clumps, just seamless chocolatey goodness. Alright, gradually whisk that beautiful cacao paste into the saucepan with the oats, and you'll start smelling that creamy chocolatey goodness fill the air. Now, let's kick things up a notch with some seasoning. For sweet and woody undertones, we're using 4 tablespoons or about 60 milliliters of maple syrup. Next up, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon or about 4 grams of diamond crystal kosher salt to round out the flavors. And finally, for that extra layer of aroma and depth, we're adding a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Give it a good stir and let it all simmer together for about 5 to 7 minutes. What we're aiming for is that perfect creamy consistency, much like a risotto. Too thick? No worries, just add a touch more almond milk to get it just right. And there we have it. Our champorado is sweetened, seasoned, and singing with modern flavors and aromas. Now grab your favorite bowl and ladle in your creamy champorado. Drizzle some coconut cream right on top. If you're feeling fancy, a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes will add a nice crunch. And for that final burst of color and freshness, top it off with some sliced seasonal fruit, bananas, strawberries, you name it. And there you have it, a bowl of Champorado Oatmeal that's a feast for the eyes and soul. This dish is the perfect blend of tradition and modern wellness, all in one comforting bowl. Let's dig in. Alright friends, it's time to do a taste test, and I can't wait to dig in. So the way I like to eat it is kind of mix everything all together so that I can get a bit of the porridge, the coconut milk, the toasted coconut flakes, and the strawberry. We got a spoonful right here. Oh. And bon appetit. Whoa. It's super sweet, savory, and creamy, and really thick, and really rich in chocolate, which I super love. I can taste that this champorado is both comforting for both my body and my soul. Wow. My Lola would make champorado for us all of the time for breakfast, and I know that she would love this oatmeal version. So give it a try and mix up your breakfast routine. If you like this video, you're gonna love this video here, where I show you how to make another comforting Filipino classic, arroz caldo, but made with oats. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.